Okay, so I just stumbled upon this wild project where people are running RISC-V programs inside ClickHouse. Like what?
No way, that's fascinating. So, are they actually turning ClickHouse into a Turing-complete system?
Exactly. This emulator basically allows ClickHouse to execute any logic. Can you imagine a SQL database being Turing complete?
That's mind-blowing. But wait, how does it work? Does it involve some sort of conversion?
Yeah, the way it operates is through a command insertion. You insert a command, and it triggers a lot of materialized views.
Materialized views, what's the deal with those? Are they like a visual representation?
Not exactly. They filter instructions to simulate reading from registers in memory. It's quite complex.
Got it. So it's kind of like setting up a chain reaction, right? One action leads to multiple responses.
Totally, and it even connects with a Redis database for storing registers in memory.
A Redis setup? That's brilliant. But why Redis specifically?
It's designed for fast in-memory storage, which is crucial. But here's the catch. There's a major bug affecting performance.
Oh no, what kind of bug are we talking about here?
Well, instead of using a single mget command for fetching data, it scans all keys, making it super slow.
That can't be right. Wow. So basically they're limited by a bug in their storage approach?
Exactly. This causes them to run at only 17 Hz. Early tests were way faster.
17 Hertz. That's pretty slow for an emulator. What can they do about it?
They could submit a bug report, but they're still finding ways to optimize other parts.
That's good. So what's the process to actually run one of these RISC-V programs?
First, you need to set up a ClickHouse V24 image along with a Redis server. Sounds easy enough?
I think I can manage that. What's next?
Then, you load your own RISC-V program data in hex format through an insert command. Simple.
Nice. So once that's done, how does it execute?
You either insert a clock command manually or let it auto-clock. Then, bam, the program runs.
It's like magic. But how do you monitor what's happening inside?
They have SQL commands to display registers, memory contents, and even live views of frames. Super interactive.
That gives me chills. It feels almost like playing a video game.
Right? You get to literally peek into the internals of the emulator. So cool.
And how are the instructions tested for compliance?
Oh, they have a dedicated test suite for every instruction. It prints out performance metrics.
That's really interesting because it helps ensure everything is working as expected.
Exactly. And each instruction type has its own path for execution. Efficiency is key here.
Such a smart design choice. And what's with the syscall functionality?
Great question. The eCall instruction allows interaction with the operating system.
So they can access external resources. That's pretty powerful.
For sure, they can read, write files, open sockets, literally anything you could imagine.
It's crazy to think that all this is running within a SQL database.
It really redefines what we think of as database capabilities. That's profound.
So if we put all this together, it's like a mini operating system inside ClickHouse.
Absolutely, and it opens doors to so many implications in computing contexts.
Wait, wow, what other applications might this have?
Well, think embedded systems, testing environments, you name it. The possibilities are endless.
This is blowing my mind. It's all interconnected in ways we didn't even see before.
Exactly. Each layer they built has a purpose, refining the way everything interacts.
Can you imagine what more could be achieved if they optimize that bug?
Totally. It could shift the balance for emulator performance significantly.
This has been a wild ride through tech convergence.
Right? I mean, we're just scratching the surface. What else is possible?
I can't wait to dive deeper into what others are doing with this tech.
Same here. The implications are endless, and we're just at the beginning.
Absolutely. I feel like there's a whole universe of innovation waiting.